Most seniors I speak with have their cholesterol and blood sugar checked regularly. That's standard, but there's one overlooked blood marker that can quietly reveal whether you're brought. So called healthy veggie habits are actually depleting your body instead of nourishing it. That marker is reverse T3RT3. You see, your thyroid produces two main hormones, T4 and T3. T3 is the active form, but the one that powers your metabolism, keeps your heart rate steady, your mind sharp, and your digestion running smoothly. But when your body is under stress or when it's missing nutrients like selenium, zinc, or iodine, it starts converting T4 into reverse T3, a kind of metabolic break. Now, here's where it connects to cruciferous vegetables. Excessive raw intake, especially without proper iodine or steaming, can inhibit T3 activation and increase RT3. That means you might look fine on a standard thyroid panel but feel cold, tired, foggy, or sluggish, and not know why. I've seen seniors eating kale salads, sipping green smoothies, thinking they're doing everything right, but their reverse T3 levels told another story. If you've been eating a lot of raw broccoli, cabbage, kale, or cauliflower and feel off, despite eating clean, ask your doctor to check your RT3-free T3 and iodine levels. It could uncover a silent block in your metabolism. More importantly, combine this knowledge with the cooking techniques we discussed. Chop and wait, steam lightly, add healthy fats, rotate your greens. This isn't about avoiding vegetables. It's about respecting the biochemistry of aging and learning how to work with your body, not against it.